need, what it is you bleed for, longing and yearning, deeply burning for you. Are you staying with me? Help me feed it. Slow down, let our minds go quiet now. No sound, let our hands do the talking, hands do the talking now. Do you see how this fire grows rapid and nobody knows how it started or where it will go? I can't stop now, baby, no. Our world just keeps turning, and here I am still learning about what it is that you need, what it is you bleed for, longing and yearning, deeply burning for you. Are you staying with me? Tell me you need it. Slow down, let our minds go quiet now. No sound, let our hands do the talking, hands do the talking now. Slow down, let our minds go quiet now. No sound, let our hands do the talking, hands do the talking now.
What's up, guys? Before you click out of this video, just figured you all deserve a little update on what's going on in my life since I have been pretty absent from YouTube. And first things first, you might have seen this on my Instagram, but Will and I actually bought 10 acres with a house. House is pretty old, and we just really started working on that, but the whole closing process and the loan and just hoping that we even get this property just took a lot of energy from me, and my mind could not stop brainstorming of what I want to do out there. And then the second thing on why I think I haven't really been posting is my camera. It doesn't look too bad now, but actually in this video I mainly used my friend Pablo's camera, aka Mattia Furland. But yeah, my camera's just having a hard time adjusting to light, and when I post YouTube videos I want to make something I'm proud of. There's nothing wrong with just posting to post. Many people do that. I watch a lot of YouTubers that do that, but that's just not really my style. I want to create something cool, and I want to create something you guys enjoy watching. But yeah, if you want to support me, support my YouTube channel, support the 10 acres, and actually see that project grow, I have been filming us cleaning up and all that stuff out there, and we will be making an Acre Brand YouTube channel, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, if you want to support, you want to see better videos, like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends on Facebook. And I'm invested in everything I do, from BMX, YouTube, this new property we got, so I'm gonna reinvest in myself. So if I start making money from YouTube, I'm gonna buy a better camera, I'm gonna buy a better drone, I'm gonna get a gimbal, I would love to hire a filmer and just, you know, let him live with me, and his job is to film my YouTube videos for me. So yeah, that's the deal, that's what's going on. Dreaming big. But yeah, like, subscribe, come up to me at Grand, stop by the DK pit, the Hemp Fusion pit, say what's up. And yeah, I appreciate all of you guys, especially the ones that came up to me at the races and asked why the heck I haven't been posting on YouTube. I appreciate it, love y'all, and see you later.